Hi friends, so now you can see the screen of Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint, it is also a part of Microsoft Office. It is one of the best tool to create presentation, for your school, for your office, for your business, as well as for your personal and professional use. The screen on which you can see on your laptop or on your desktop, you can see again the different options. At the top you can see file, home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, help, and below that you will see again different options which you can use to create presentation. So let us go one by one. As you can see, when I am clicking on file, I'm able to see a different option here. On the left hand side you can see home, new, open, info, save as, print, share, export, close, account, feedback options. And on the right hand side you will see the blank presentation. Welcome to PowerPoint, bring your presentation, geometric color block, urban monochrome, earthy inspiration, floral flourish. More themes you can see here, and more in presentation. So let us go back, click on the back arrow key, and now you will see at the center screen, this is a blank screen, white blank screen, where you click and you can add a title here, then click to add a subtitle here. Let us start from the left side. So here you can see the paste option, which is common you know in Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and the shortcut command is also common, Control V. So the meaning of the, we want to understand what is paste. It's basically pick a paste option, such as keeping, formatting, or pasting only content. So it's basically pasting the content. Now let us go for the cut. Cut, you can see again the Control X, move the selection and put it on the clipboard. You can paste it somewhere else. Then below that you can see copy. Below copy is again the shortcut command is Control plus C. Put a copy of the selection on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. So you can see that the difference between the cut and copy is that, suppose if you want to paste any text from any other application, you need to select that text and you can copy it. The text will remain, exist in the other application, and the same text will be all visible on this application, this PowerPoint. But the cut, basically it cuts that particular text. So the text which was available on the other application removed. This particular text was not available, will not be available, and you can again use the paste command to copy, to paste in the PowerPoint presentation. Now we have a format painter here. Format painter is also a common, kind of a function which you can use, like the look of a particular selection. You can apply that look to the content of the document. To get started, select the content, the formatting you like. Click Format Painter, select something else to automatically apply the formatting. To apply the formatting in multiple places, double click Format Painter. Now with this, you can change the format, the content of a letter or of a text by using that Format Painter. Now here you can see another section, slides. Slide is basically the blank, no, the page you can see on your on the main screen. The blank where you can see click to add title, click to add subtitle. So this is the main screen. So here you can see the new slide. You can add new slide here, like a title slide. You can see that title slide. You can see the title as well as the content here. You can see the section header here, where you can add an header. Header is basically at the top. Now you can add two content here. Comparison kind of a slide you can make. Only title if you want to add. It's a blank slide. It's a content with caption, and it is picture with caption. You can add, insert a picture here. And you can see the duplicates. Selected slide you can duplicate also. Slides from the outline also, and reuse slides also. And here we have this layout. It's basically slide layout. Change the layout of the slide. When clicking on it, again you can see the different option, the office theme, the title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, and picture with caption. So layout basically, it's basically by using it you can change the layout of your presentation. Reset is basically reset whenever reset the position, size, and formatting the slide placeholder to their default settings. So whenever you are creating a new slide, it basically has some default option which is already set by the PowerPoint itself. So you can, because when you are changing according to your requirement, when you're customizing it according to your need and according to your whatever the kind of options you're looking for, if you click on reset, it will automatically reset to the default settings. Now selection, you can see organize your slide into the sections. Sections. It's add section, rename section, remove all sections, collapse all, expand all. Then let us go next section. It's a font section where you can bold it. Control plus B, make your text bold. Italic, you can make your text as an italic. Control plus I. It's Control plus U, underline your text. Text shadow, add a shadow behind the selected text to help it stand out on the slide. This strike through, cross something out by drawing a line through it. Character spacing, if you want to adjust the spacing between the characters. The change case, change the selected text to the uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalization. Increase font size, if you want to increase the font size. You can use the Control plus Shift plus greater than sign. If you want to decrease the font size, Control plus Shift plus less than sign. Make your text a bit smaller. Clear all formatting, remove all the formatting from the selection, leaving only the normal leaving only the normal unformatted text. So can clear the formatting of the text, whatever the kind of changes you did the particular text, you can clear that formatting. Now here is the text highlight color. Make your text pop by highlighting into a bright color. You can change the color of the text. Now here you can see the font color. Change the color of your text again. Now the next section is a paragraph section. Whenever you are writing something in a paragraph, you can make some changes. You can do some changes by using these options in the paragraph section. Let us go one by one. Bullets. If you want to add a bullets, you can choose this option. Create a bulleted list. Click the arrow. Change the look of the bullet. Here you can do the numbering. Create a number list. Click the arrow for more numbering formats. decrease list level, decrease the indent level, increase list level, increase the indent level, line spacing, control how much space appears between lines of a text. You can check the align left if you want to align your content to the left. Center, control plus E, center your content. Align right, control plus R, align your content to the right. Justify, distribute the text evenly, better with margins. Justified text gives you document clean, crisp edges so it looks more polished. Line spacing, control how much space appears between the lines of a text. Text direction, you can change the direction of the text, change the orientation of the text to vertical, stacked, rotate it to the desired direction. Align text, change how the text is aligned within the text box. Convert to smart art. Basically, smart art is a way to communicate through visually rather than with just text. Converting text on your slide to a smart art graphic such as diagram or flowchart can organize, represent your information as relationship, cycle, process, and more. So basically, when you are representing your this presentation, so you can use this to enhance that text look in this presentation. You can use this feature. Now here we have this drawing section. You can text box, you can draw the text box here. You can use the line this if you want to draw a line. If you want to use a line arrow, if you want to draw a rectangle, oval, rectangular rounded corners, isolates triangle, connector elbow, connector elbow arrow, arrow right, arrow down, freedom shape, freeform scribble, arc, curve, left brace, right brace, star 5 points. Now if you can see this here, more insert ready-made shapes such as circle, square and arrow. If I am clicking on this, you'll see this very, you see the different category lines, rectangles, basic shapes, black arrows, equation shape, flowchart, stars and banners, callouts, action buttons. So these are different diagrams which you can see for a drawing purpose, which you can add, so your presentation looks more good. So the action button, you can see action button, go back or previous, action button, go forward to your next, like the if you can see these diagrams which it represents. If you want to go to the next line, you click on it. Action button, go to the beginning, go to end, go home, get information, return, video, document, sound, help, and blank. Now if you go to call out, speech bubble, rectangular with corners rounded, oval, cloud, line, bent line, double bent line, line with ascent bar, bent line with ascent bar, double bent line with ascent bar, line with no border, line, bent line with no border, double bent line with no border, line with border and accent bar, bent line with border and accent bar, double bent line with border and ascent bar. So here you can see different. It's a very deep kind of practice which we need and which we will definitely do. Teach you so that you can learn and you can implement and use it so that you can make your presentation more beautiful, more effective, so that whoever is the viewer, whoever is watching your presentation will be happy to see, will be happy to learn, we will be able to remember. So thank you so much for your time. Please use this time to learn PowerPoint and practice it so that you can learn it. Thank you so much for your time that you are spending with me. Thanks a lot, and I will share more videos so that you can learn as well as practice PowerPoint. Thank you.